will probably be a 7th one. And this is Wilson moving in. Save made by Forsberg, and Ovechkin has scored. The entire line with a goal.
Think they're having any fun? I mean, this is a great dump pass out of the zone that will set Wilson off to the races, and he's just on the fly here. The Chicago defense gets beat, tries to make the move on Forsberg. Forsberg denies him, but good hustle, great hustle by Ovechkin to get up ice and bury this, and Chicago gets sloppy on the late coverage.
And how about the speed of Tom Wilson? That's not just an everyday defenseman, that's Duncan Keith that he outlegged. Won the race. Forsberg makes the initial save, and he's gonna head to the showers early, it looks like, as Joel Quenneville tries to slow this down. And J.F. Berube, who played 14 games last year for the Islanders, gets to go in and play.